In a world where social movements have to be nimble and effective, one multilingual activist website will rise. Tactics, theories, principles, methodologies, and stories on a single website. Open the new beautifultrouble.org Toolbox. Sourced from over 200 frontline activists the world over. A cast of thousands of stars making history and playing at an internet near you, now in 5, count 'em, 5 languages. Look at showcase stories like the Trail of Dreams, immigrant youth activists walking 1,500 miles to take their message to the halls of power in Washington, D.C. Thrill to principles like making the invisible visible. Marvel at tactics like culture jamming. Study methodologies like Battle of the Story. Or mix and match with your own custom personalized toolbox, filled with the resources you need to make change. Imagine the wisdom of generations of activists at your fingertips. The revolution is just a click away. beautifultrouble.org/toolbox